Hi young students. In this video, we're going to explore possessive pronouns. Let's learn together. Possessive pronouns indicate ownership or possession of something. They are used to show that a particular thing or concept belongs to a particular person, group, animal or thing. For example, his, her, its, whose, mine, etc. Now, let's learn about the types of possessive pronouns. First is singular possessive pronouns. They show ownership by one person or thing. For example, my, yours, his, and hers. And plural possessive pronouns. They indicate ownership by multiple people or things, like ours and theirs. Moving on to difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Possessive pronouns can stand alone. They replace a noun. For example, instead of saying, "This book belongs to me," you can say, "This book is mine." Possessive adjectives describe a noun. They come before the noun. For example, my book is on the table. Here, my tells us whose book it is. Now, let's see how possessive pronouns work in sentences. They replace nouns in sentences. Here's how. Instead of saying, "Lisa found my book, but Lisa didn't find Lisa's book," we can simply say, "Lisa found my book, but we didn't find hers." See how hers replaces Lisa's book. We can also use them at the beginning of a sentence. Like, Mike got his mark sheet. Mine isn't here yet. Here, mine takes the place of my mark sheet. Let's consider some common mistakes students make with possessive pronouns. One common mistake is using the wrong pronoun to show ownership. For example, saying, "This bat is its," is wrong. We should say, "This bat is his," instead. Another thing to remember is that possessive pronouns don't need an apostrophe. So, it's hers, not hers. Now it's your turn to answer. Give one example of a singular possessive pronoun. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for all the classes is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.